This tiny gadget claims to breathe new life into older PCs, but can a simple SD card adapter really replace a traditional hard drive? Let's find out. We're looking at the ZGHQHCDRH SD to 3.5-inch IDE SSD adapter card. It's designed to take your SD memory cards and make them act like a 3.5-inch IDE hard drive for your computer. The idea is pretty neat, especially if you've got an older machine with an IDE interface that you want to speed up or give more storage to without a massive overhaul. The adapter itself is surprisingly small, measuring just about half an inch on each side. It sports a standard 40-pin IDE connector, so it should slot right into most older motherboards. The 5-volt power requirement is also standard for these types of devices. The marketing material emphasizes its compatibility with a wide range of devices, from servers and routers to network equipment and power systems. This suggests it's built for stability and reliability, which is crucial if you're relying on it for system operations. Installation, in theory, should be straightforward. You pop your SD card into the adapter, connect the IDE cable and power, and then hopefully your computer recognizes it as a bootable drive. The promise of high compatibility is a big selling point here. Many older systems are limited by their storage interfaces, and being able to use readily available and often faster SD cards could be a game changer for retro computing enthusiasts or anyone trying to keep an old machine running. However, the real question is performance. While an SD card might be fast for transferring photos, how does it hold up as a primary operating system drive? We'd expect boot times to be significantly improved over a mechanical hard drive, and general system responsiveness should see a boost. But sustained read and write speeds might be a bottleneck, depending on the quality of the SD card used and the adapter's own limitations. It's also worth considering the longevity of SD cards under constant read-write cycles compared to dedicated SSDs. The product description mentions it's compatible with AC/DC converters and has a 2-pin connector type, which seems a bit out of place for a direct IDE adapter. This might refer to a specific power configuration or a related accessory, but for the core function of connecting an SD card to an IDE port, the 40-pin IDE and standard power connection are what matter most. The overall impression is that this is a niche product, aimed at a specific audience looking for a cost-effective way to modernize older hardware. It's not going to replace a modern SATA SSD in a new build, but for its intended purpose, it could be a clever solution. In summary, this SD to IDE adapter offers an intriguing possibility for breathing new life into older computers. While performance will heavily depend on the SD card used, the potential for improved boot times and system responsiveness is definitely there. It's a compact and potentially very useful adapter for those who need to bridge the gap between modern storage media and legacy hardware.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.